Project 1 LED Blink. Blinker LED with a predefined delay. We are going to get to know of the basic concepts of the Arduino programming. For this project, you are going to need following components: one piece of DIY-made Arduino Uno board, one piece of solder-less breadboard, one piece of 5mm LED in any color, one piece of 220 ohm resistor in red, brown, two pieces of made-to-made jumper wires. In this circuit, we only have two electronic components other than Arduino board, so it is pretty simple. Positive pin of the LED connect to the LED digital pin 10. As you can see, a 220 ohm resistor is connected to the LED in series. We call that resistor a current remitting resistor. What does it do? Well, as you might know, most LEDs work at a voltage range of 2.2 volt to 3 volt and current range of 20 mA to 50 mA. Arduino is giving an output of 5 volts. When this much of voltage applied across the LED, about 250 mA, current multiplied by resistor equals voltage, will flow through the LED, and this will cause the LED to burn. So what this resistor does is to keep the voltage across the LED within its working range, and by doing so, keep the current lower than maximum limits. This slide assigns an integer value 10 to the variable called LED. This is called theta. Theta function must be declared in any Arduino code, despite of you use it or not. Theta function will execute one time when the Arduino code starts. All the configurations should be done within the theta, such as assign pins as inputs and outputs, declare serial communication parameters. This slide configures the LED pin 10 as an output. Note that output is in all uppercase. This is called loop. As its name suggests, it will run over and over again until Arduino code is running, in most cases until board is powered, so we can write our code in the loop. This line gives an output from the LED pin 10. When it says high, it will give a 5 volt output in the relevant pin, in this case pin 10. When it says low, it outputs 0 volt, or the pin will be grounded. Note that how high and low are in all uppercase, otherwise code will not compile. This is the delay function. What it does is that it stops the code from running for amount of time given in the brackets. This time is given in milliseconds, a thousandth of a second. So here it says 1000 milliseconds, that means 1 second. So the process of the code is very simple. Give our output pin a name. Configure the pin as an output. Turn on the LED. Wait for 1 second. Turn off the LED. Wait for 1 second. Last 4 steps will be run again and again. So what we will see is the LED is blinking with intervals of 1 second. Finally, we made it. These tutorials are prepared for beginners level, so all the things given is simplified as much as possible. There are a lot more advanced and complex syntax and methods in Arduino. All those will be explained in future tutorials step by step. If you have anything difficult to understand or anything other than this relevant to Arduino, feel free to contact our tech support via following email address. We will answer your questions as soon as possible.